To send money using Zelle on your US Bank, you must first be enrolled in the service. If you haven't already done so, you can find instructions on how to enroll. Once enrolled, log into your account and navigate to the bottom of the screen, where you will see 5 options. Tap the first option, Send Money with Zelle. You will then be taken to a new screen where you will need to tap Send Money. If the recipient is already set up, you can select them. Otherwise, you can add a new recipient by scanning a QR code or manually entering their information. After selecting or adding the recipient, enter the amount you wish to transfer and choose which account to send the money from. You also have the option to set up a repeat payment. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. And if it is, tap Send at the bottom of the screen. This will complete the transaction, and the money will be sent using Zelle on your US Bank.